want a small nose actually, but that should look good on my face.
ये दिख रहा है, इतना नीचे आ जाएगा और ये टिप बिगर होगा. This will be your new nose. ये सब निकल जाएगा. Okay?
थोड़ा ज़्यादा
Feminine.
ऐसा नहीं,
वो नहीं.
feminine type का.
I'll give you a nice nose. कि नीचे भी ना हो. So this is the nose before. Her nasal bones were very wide. So what we are going to do? We are going to do osteotomy, piezo osteotomy. We do it in a closed way, and so we do it in a closed way. And this is one side osteotomy, and then we see. I can feel there is a irregularity. So I'm going to take it out with the, either I do it under vision because I have done so many rhinoplasties, it is easier for me to do closed. So this is called as closed. Lot of people ask me closed. So this is what is closed. So if you see, after doing the osteotomy, this side has gone in, the side that was out. So similar, I'm going to proceed on this side and do the osteotomy. So now you see the dorsal aesthetic line, they have become narrow because we have done all osteotomies, and also we have removed the hump that was there. Now it is more straight and streamlined, and we have removed the deviation, septoplasty we have done, and there is no bruising. If you see, this blood is hardly 2 to 3 drops, not too much as compared to the other kind of surgeries. And now we are going to put sutures and create a nice tip for her. So if you see in this patient, you just saw when I did the osteotomies, मैंने दोनों तरफ से जो बोनी बेस है उसको नैरो किया था. जो इसकी सेप्टल डिविएशन थी, जो इसको साइनस का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था, उसको भी ठीक किया. और इसको चाहिए था कि अब मेरा नाक जो है, इसको लगता था कि आदमी के जैसा दिखता है. इसको फेमिनिन नोज चाहिए था, थोड़ा नीचे बैठा हुआ, छोटा. इसको अपनी लेंथ भी बहुत ज़्यादा लगती थी, और बचपन में चोट की वजह से इनका होंठ कटा हुआ था. अगर आप देखेंगे अभी तो होंठ में स्वेलिंग है. जैसे ही इसकी स्वेलिंग सेटल होगी, ये होंठ बिल्कुल इसके बराबर दिखेगा. अभी इधर हमने इंजेक्ट किया है सोल्यूशन. पहले का जो होंठ था वो पतला था और नीचे की ओर था, अब ये ऊपर चला गया है और वॉल्यूम आ गई है. हमने इसमें एक क्लासिक फ्लैप किया है जिसको बोलते हैं आइलैंड फ्लैप. It will be published in some journal soon. It is done for the first time. Island flap plastic surgery में कोई नई टेक्निक नहीं है. It's a vascularized flap जिसमें हम island में flap करते हैं और इसको टनल कर देते हैं. So you can see the on-table result. I think I'm pretty happy with her result. I'm sure she'll also be happy with her lip as well as nose. Her facial aesthetics, I think, has been totally enhanced. And now my assistants will do the dressings. For more information, call on these numbers. Our managers would be happy to assist you. And if you want to know about the prices, please visit our website, our Insta page, and check the results of our patients.